Hi Ruma.
Hey Fiona, how are you?
Good, thank you. So why do banks need a copy of the insurance?
Building insurance?
Yes, the building insurance.
Okay. So the banks normally, see, if you give your property to a bank, they keep it as a security, right?
Yeah.
It's a security for the bank. So bank needs to know tomorrow, let's say if it's a house,
Mm-hmm.
if it burns down or something, God forbid, and if some natural calamity happens and the house gets totally, it sort of gets turned to ashes or something.
Yeah.
So what's the insurance on that, right? So they need the client to have a building insurance on the property in the case of natural calamity or anything, like the house gets damaged. That's the main reason why they need an insurance, but the client obviously has to pay for it.
Yeah.
And very importantly, what the banks need, this is for the houses I'm talking about, I'm going to talk about strata in a minute. Very importantly, what the banks need to do is, let's say you go with AMP, for example. So on the certificate of currency, it's called certificate of currency, the insurance. On the certificate of currency, it should say the interested party is AMP Bank. So each bank needs their own name on the certificate of currency.
Okay.
That's for the houses. If it's a strata property, they need a certificate of currency from, it's like a insurance certificate from the strata management. So I think there are a couple of banks who stopped asking for it for strata, but I think majority of the banks still ask for it. So you can always call the strata people and get the certificate from them.
Yeah. Okay, thanks.
Yeah.